So students, chapter 2, first topic, Cartesian product of a sets. Now what is Cartesian now? So first of all you have to learn about a order pair. So here A and B separated by a comma with close bracket. It's called a order pair. A is the first element and B is the second element. If we invert the elements, the now first elements become B and second element become A, right? Like x-axis and y-axis. So the order in which the entries are written in an order is specific. For example, if we took A as a 4 and B as a -3 and draw in a graph, so our point is located at in fourth quadrant, x is 4 and y is -3. If inverted the elements, it become -3 and 4 in second quadrant, right? So we can say that AB does not equal to BA, both are different. So order pair, a pair of entries group in a particular order which are separated by a comma and enclosed with a bracket. If two order pairs are equal, then their corresponding first element and second element are also equal. Let's take an example. If AB is equal to 1 4, then A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4. First element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. So I think you all got the concept of order pair. Now we move on to our main concept, Cartesian product. Let x is equal to ABM and y is equal to F, C, D and M. If we want to do Cartesian product of x and y, so the product of set means two, the pair of element of sets together in a systematic manner. For example, if we want to do x Cartesian product y, then first of all we took first element of A and all the element of y one by one, like AF, AC, AD and AH till y is finished. Y, or if second set all the elements are covered, now move on to our second element in x, B and all the elements of y like BF, BC, BD, BH and so on till the all elements are included in y. Same like third element of x, MF, MC, MD and MH. Here x, all the elements are finished. So this is called our Cartesian product, and Cartesian product is denoted by cross. So x cross y is equal to this. Let's look at another example. For example, let x is equal to all the pattern of cards and y is equal to 2 to 10, jack, queen, king and s, right? Once again, so if we want to do x cross y, the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets x and y can be represented in the form of tabular cells or the point of intersecting of perpendicular lines. For example, our first is club and 2, diamond and 2, also with spade and 2 and heart and 2. Okay, same like 3, same like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to S. So that means total 52 cards. Here x, number of x is equal to 4 pattern and number of y, that means 13 types of card. So 13 fours is equal to 52. It's your Cartesian product. Okay, so I think you all got the concept of Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of two non-empty finite sets P and Q is the set of all order pair of elements from P and Q. If you in set builder form, the definition of the Cartesian product P cross Q is equal to PQ, where P belongs to P and Q belongs to Q. That means first element is always belongs to first element of first set of Cartesian product, and second element is always belongs to second set of Cartesian product. Now property, if either P is equal to 5 or B is equal to 5, then P cross Q is equal to 5. Second property, if either P or Q is infinite, then P cross Q is also infinite. Third one, if number of P is equal to M and number of Q is equal to N, then number of P cross Q is equal to Mn. For example, if number of X is equal to 4, number of Y is equal to 13, the number of X cross Y is equal to 13, 4s are 52, like in cars. Okay. Now the next concept is multiple product. Multiple product is same like Cartesian product. If A1, A2, A3 up to An is a finite family of sets, then if we want to do A cross A2, A1 cross A2 cross A3 cross up to An, so our elements become A1, A2, A3 up to An, where A1 belongs to An, A2 belongs to A2, and so on. If we want to do A cross A, then ABC, where all ABC belongs to A, because here first set is A, second set is A, and third set is also A. So all the elements belongs to A. R cross R, then AB, then all AB belongs to R. Same like R cross R cross R. So here all the ABC belongs to R. So that means first element is always belongs to first set, second element is always belongs to second set. Now Cartesian product is follow commutative law, yes or no? We have a check. Consider A is equal to 4, 2 and B is equal to 3, 1. To check a commutative property, first of all we have to do A cross B. So A cross B is equal to 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1. Very easy. First you select the element of A, then B, and so on. And B cross E is equal to, first you have to select the elements of B, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2. So here you can check all the elements of A cross B and B cross A are different. So A cross B does not equal to B cross A. So the Cartesian products never follow commutative property. The same as the Cartesian product of B and A. Okay, so now next property is distributive property. First, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. This property is verified in Cartesian product. If you want to take an example, let A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4, 5 and C is equal to 5, 6. Let B union C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to do for LHS A cross B union C. So here A is equal to 1, 2 and B union C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Right, now A cross B 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and A cross C is 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now you have to union of A cross B union A cross C. So your answer is 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Same like LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Distributive property verified. So Cartesian product follow the distributive property. For you can also check for second and third distributive property. So students, now let's start exercise 2.1. So in this question you have to find the value of x and y. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 and 1 by 3, find the value of x and y. So here given x by 3 plus 1 y minus 2 by 3, y coordinate is y minus 2 by 3 is equal to x coordinate is 5 by 3 and y coordinate is 1 by 3. So since the order pairs are equal, the corresponding elements are also equal. This is our rule explained earlier. So x by 3 plus 1 is equal to y by 3 is your equation number 1, and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is your equation number 2, right? अगर दो सेट्स के बीच में इक्वल होगा, दो कार्टेशियन एलिमेंट्स के बीच में, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट एलिमेंट एंड सेकंड एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू सेकंड एलिमेंट. नाउ सॉल्विंग दिस टू इक्वेशन, x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. So x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Now 3 cancel out, x is equal to 2. So this is your answer. The value of x is equal to 2. Now solving the equation number 2. Now solving the equation number 2, from equation number 2, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Y is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So y is equal to 3 by 3. That means 1. So y is equal to 1. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. In earlier section, I told about the property, the number of here the number of elements of set A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. So the number of B is also 3, number of A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. So the number of B is also 3. Now we know the property of n A cross B. Number of A cross B is equal to number of A cross number of B. So number of A cross B is equal to 3 into 3. That means 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Number of A is equal to 3 and number of B is also 3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So the number of A cross B, hence the number of A cross B, the number of elements in A cross B is 9. The number of elements in A cross B is 9. Now move on to question number 3. If G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. If you know the answer, if you know the solution, pause the video and solve it by on. Here G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2. To find G cross H and H cross G, recall the definition of the Cartesian product. So the Cartesian product A cross B of two non-empty sets A and B is defined as A cross B is equal to AB, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So G cross H is equal to, first of all we have to take the elements from G. First element is always from G and second element is always from H. So G 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. ऑलवेज फर्स्ट आप जी का एलिमेंट लेके उसके रिलेशन सारे एच के एलिमेंट के साथ, उसके बाद सेकंड एलिमेंट ऑफ जी एंड सारे एच के एलिमेंट, सो 8 5 8 4 एंड 8 2. अब जी में एलिमेंट फिनिश हो गए, दैट मीन्स योर कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट इज फिनिश. नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड एच क्रॉस जी, तो आपको फर्स्ट एच का एलिमेंट लेना है, राइट, और सारे जी के एलिमेंट वन बाय वन. सो 5 7 5 8, 5 7 5 8. नाउ सेकेंड एलिमेंट ऑफ एच इज 4, सो 4 7 4 8. नाउ थर्ड एलिमेंट ऑफ एच इज 2, सो 2 7 2 8. So I think all the elements of H is finished. So here is your answer, G cross H and H cross G. The number of element in G cross H and H cross G is always same, but the elements are different. Okay. So here is your answer of question number 3. Now fourth, next question. State whether each of the following statement are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. Okay. So first question in this, if P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to Nm, then P cross Q is equal to Mn Nm. Is it true? Yes or no? So it's very simple. Here P is equal to, number of P is equal to 2 and number of Q is equal to also 2. So number of P cross Q is equal to 2 cross 2, यानी कि 4. But here only 2 elements are given. Here only 2 elements are given. So this statement is false. So last, which is the true? So P cross Q is equal to, here P is the first set and Q is the second set. So first element of cross Cartesian product is always from P. So first we have to select M, Mn, Mm. Then second element of Pn, so Nn, Nm. So this is your right answer. But in question we have given P cross Q is equal to Mn and Nm. Hence the given statement is false. Now rewrite the given statement correctly. So now the statement becomes, if P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to Nm, then P cross Q is equal to Mn, Mm, Nn, Nm. So this is your correct statement. Now move on to question number 2. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of order pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Right? So first element is always from belongs to first set, that is A, and second element is always belongs to second set, that is B. Hence the given statement is true. Hence the given statement is true. Now question number 3. If A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 3 5, then A cross B intersection phi is equal to phi. Is this statement is true or false? Let's check it. So first of all, B intersection phi is of course phi, because कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं होगा B और phi में. So A cross B intersection phi, that means A cross phi. और किसी के भी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट आप phi के साथ करोगे तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? phi. So the Cartesian product of a non-empty sets and an empty set is always an empty set. So A cross phi is equal to phi. Hence A cross B intersection phi is equal to phi. hence the given statement is true. Now move on to next question. If A is equal to -1 and 1, find A cross A cross A. The given set is A is equal to -1 and 1. For any non-empty sets A cross A cross A is defined as A cross A cross A is equal to ABC, where ABC belongs to A. And you have also do this first A cross A, only Cartesian product of first two, then after third one, right? And you can also do directly A cross A cross A. So first of all we have to do Cartesian product of A cross A. So -1 -1 -1 1 1 -1 and 1 1. So this is your answer of A cross A. Now we have to do A cross A cross A. So our answer become -1 -1 -1. A cross A, that means first you have to write A cross A cross A. Your A is -1 and 1. So first you have to select the first element -1 -1 and first element of the second set. Now -1 -1 and +1. Now second element of A cross A cross A, -1 1 -1 -1 1 1. Now third element 1 -1 -1 and 1 -1 +1. Now last element 1 1 1 1 1 -1 and 1 1 1. So here is your answer, hence A cross A cross A is equal to. Now you also cross check your answer. In here A is equal to 2 element. So how many elements in A cross A cross A? 2 cross 2 cross 2, यानी कि 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. Total 8 elements present in A cross A cross A. So this is your final answer. Now move on to next question. If A cross B is equal to AX, AY, BX, BY, find set A and set B. Now we all know the definition about the Cartesian product and also the rules for Cartesian product. Okay, if A cross B is equal to AX, AY, BX and BY is given, we all know the first element of Cartesian product is from set first and second element is belongs to second set. So the Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets P and Q is defined as P cross Q, where P from first set and Q from second set, right? So here all first element of, so A is the set of all first elements and B is the set of all second elements of the order pair A cross B. A is the set of all first element and B is the set of all second element. So A is equal to A, B, B. So we can't repeat A and B. So your answer is B. And B is equal to XY, XY. So X and Y. So here is it A is equal to AB and B is equal to XY. You can also check through A cross B has 4 element. Why? Because A has 2 element, B has 2 element. So A cross B has a 4 element. You can also cross check from number of A cross B is equal to A cross B. Now moving to next question, let A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 4, C is equal to 5 6, and D is equal to 5 6 7 8. So verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, and second, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So the given set A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 4, C is equal to 5 6, and D is equal to 5 6 7 8. So first question, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. To verify, let's consider LHS. First of all, we have to find B intersection C. So B intersection C is 5 because there is no common element between B and C. So B intersection is equal to 5. So our LHS become A cross B intersection C. That means A cross 5 is equal to 5. If any sets is 5 in Cartesian product, the whole answer become 5. So LHS is equal to 5. Now we have to find the RHS A cross B intersection A cross C. So first of all, we have to find A cross B and A cross C. So A cross B is equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 2 4 is your A cross B. Now A cross C is equal to A is 1 2 and C is 5 6, so 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. Now you have to check A cross B intersection A cross C. So how many elements are common between A cross B and A cross C? You can see that not a single element is common between A cross B and A cross C. So A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to 5. A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to 5. So the RHS is equal to also 5. So from LHS and RHS, given statement is proved. LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 5. Hence A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now second, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. A cross C is a subset of B cross D. To verify, we have to first check A cross C, then after B cross D. A cross C is already found in previous question 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. Now B cross D. So B is equal to 1 2 3 4 and D is equal to 5 6 7 8. So 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8 and 4 5 4 6 4 7 and 4 8. So you have to check all the elements of A cross C are in B cross D, 1 5, 1 6, 2 5 and 2 6. So you all say that since all the order pair of A cross C are also present in B cross D, so A cross C is a subset of B cross D. All the elements of A cross C are present in B cross D. Now next question. Let A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 3 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? List them. Okay. So in this section we have to find the list of subset. So given A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 3 4. So first of all we have to find A cross B. Then after subset of A cross B. So the Cartesian product of A cross B of two non-empty sets A and B is defined as A cross B is equal to AB, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So here A cross B is equal to 1 3 1 4 and 2 3 2 4. So in A cross B we have 4 elements. So subset of A cross B is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is equal to number of elements. Here number of element is equal to 4. So 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So we have 16 subset of A cross B. So number of A cross B is equal to 4. If number of C is equal to m, then number of subset of C is equal to 2 raised to m. So number of power set of C is equal to 2 raised to m. So we have total 16 subset. So number of power set of A cross B is equal to 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So in total we have 16 subset. Hence the number of subset of A cross B is 16. Now we have to make a list of that 16 subset. So the subset of A cross B are as follow. First one is of course 5 empty sets, then 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 single element, then double element 1 3 1 4 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 4 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 4 and 2 3 2 4. Now triple elements 1 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 1 3 1 4 2 4 1 3 2 3 2 4 1 4 2 3 2 4 and all and set itself 1 3 1 4 2 3 and 2 4. Total 16 elements, total 16 subset of A cross B. Now next question, let A and B two sets such that number of A is equal to 3 and number of B is equal to 2. So if x1, y2 and z1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y, z are distinct element. Where x, y, z are distinct element. So here number of A is equal to 3 and number of B is equal to 2. That means A have 3 elements and B have 2 elements. So, and in A cross B, number of A cross B is equal to 3 into 2, 6 elements. So here 3 elements are given, x1, y2 and z1. So x1 belongs to A cross B, so x belongs to A and 1 belongs to B. Now second element, y2 belongs to A cross B. So y belongs to A and 2 belongs to B. Equation 2. Now third element is z1 is also in A cross B, so z1 belongs to A cross B. That implies z belongs to A and 1 belongs to B. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, so from equation 1 and 2 and 3, x, y, z belongs to A and 1, 2, 1, यानी कि only 1 and 2 belongs to B. So A is equal, number of A is equal to 3 and all 3 elements we found it, and number of B is equal to 2 and all the 2 elements are there. So we must have A is equal to xyz and B is equal to 1, 2. So our final answer is, hence the set A is equal to xyz and B is equal to 1, 2. And set B is equal to 1, 2. Now last question of this section. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. So here A cross A has 9 elements. So in this Cartesian product, out of 9 elements, 2 elements are given, -1, 0 and 0, 1. So here number of A cross A is equal to 9, that means number of A is equal to 3. In number of A cross A is equal to number of A into number of A is equal to 9, that means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So number of A square is equal to 9. So number of A square is equal to 9. So number of A is equal to 3. Now these two elements from A cross A. So first element is belongs to A and second element is also belongs to A. So -1, 0, 1 belongs to A. So all the 3 elements are found of set A. So A is equal to -1, 0 and 1. And here number of A is equal to 3. So now we have to find A cross A. So A cross A is equal to -1, 1, -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. It's your final answer. So your Cartesian product topic is finished. Your exercise 2.1 is finished. If you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime. Your maths teacher Vishal Patel. Thanks a lot.